Okay. Yes. There you go. This time it's for real. Hey guys, we're at Ames Estate right now. Doing another mukbang. Marissa, what are you eating?
Got a little wing.
Oh, this is Marissa. This is my friend Marissa.
Got a little wing-a-ding.
I've only posted a few videos.
Did people watch them?
We've had about 5 views.
Woo! Stay strong, you fellers.
So we're just chilling. We just went to Roach Brothers again. I do this often.
We love it.
I go to Roach Brothers and I get shit from the hot and ready bar. I get a big mix of things. I got some rice pilaf.
Yeah, yours is looking a little cracker.
Some butternut squash.
Mine looks like a normal meal.
I got some penne primavera. I don't really know what that is.
Did you try it?
I'm about to.
It's a little scary.
I'm really scared. It's not bad.
What's in it? Looks like tuna.
No, it's like meat. It's like not bad, but you know, it's not my fave. But that's okay. I just like my rice pilaf and my butternut squash is really what I like.
We got some roosters over here.
I know, right? So we're at Ames Estate right now.
Oh my god, look at that old lady. She's so cute.
I know. There's an old lady walking through a field of buttercups right now, and it's beautiful.
It's honestly amazing. I love her.
She's so sweet. So we're at Ames Estate right now, and I just want to let you guys know that our town is actually
The shovels.
yeah, we back in the day we made shovels here. Easton, Massachusetts, look it up. We're like known for making
What
shovels.
if somebody comes and kills us?
And like next to my house is a huge orange river because all the rust from like the 1700s. Oh, it's gonna kill us.
We made shovels for the Underground Railroad.
I know, right?
We like to save those.
Wait, did we really?
Yeah, that's what people were saying last night, at least.
For the underground railroad?
Yeah, that's what. Like,
Really?
Destiny said, yeah.
That's sick. I didn't know that.
I know, me either. That's what she told me.
I just thought that we just made shovels.
Well, we made it for that, and we made it for
Underground railroad?
like the World War something. One of the
Oh, wow.
World Wars.
I should probably look it up.
This bug is really trying to get
I'm scared.
in the other eye.
The bug.
We got some honey must. We gotta dip these fries skis in here.
Oh my god. These bugs.
We're out in the wilderness.
I know, we're literally in the wilderness eating right now.
It's honestly so fucking good.
I know, right? Let me sip my water. Let me do a little sippy sip of my woo-woo. Woo-woo! Whoa, whoa! Try my woo-woo. It's so beautiful out here.
I just like to love it. You should show them the view. Show them the view.
So we're sitting under a tree.
Got the pond.
Got the pond in the back. We got some big old trees. And then my favorite one is in the distance. Hold on. My favorite one is behind me right there. It's like a huge... Oh, wait, what? Right there. It's a huge weeping willow. And you can go under it and like carve your name and shit.
It's pretty dope in there.
So this video will probably get about, I would say, 4 views.
I'll view it.
But yeah.
Give it a good old 5. I like used to have a YouTube channel, and like me and like Sharon Doherty would like
I'm done. I used to
like weird wicked creepy videos. I wish I had it.
So I'm gonna have to go look. But back in like 5th grade, Nick Mead had a YouTube channel.
Nuh-uh.
Do you remember this? It was like Poop Dog 43.
I do remember that.
And like I used to like converse with him on that.
Oh my
And I used to be like, Mom, you know what? I don't even need a phone. I can talk to my friends through YouTube.
god. That's so funny.
I got some olives in a cup. Some olives.
Boom. Kind of olive.
Huh? You don't like these?
I like the green ones and the black ones. What the fuck are those red?
Kalamata, they're my favorite. You want to try one?
I'm so scared. Why does it have white stuff on it?
Because of the mozzarella, it's okay.
Oh. Does it taste like any of the other?
Yeah, salty.
That's good.
These are my faves.
You squish it all over me now.
You squish olive all over you?
Mm-hmm.
Is it all over you?
Well, I wonder why everyone wants to walk through the leather cup.
Alright. I know.
It's cute now. Oh, look at these feet on their hoverboards. What kind of fucking world we live in?
Yeah, what is going on? I'm sorry.
Wait,
They're going
those
so
are
fast.
so cool.
They're going so fast.
It's not even a hoverboard. It has like a little wheel in it now. That shit's dope.
They're going so fast.
I want to try it.
What are those? They just went so
I
fast.
honestly feel like that's like,
They got from there to there in literally 15 seconds.
I feel like they are from another century.
I know, right?
Gone.
They're fucking gone,
That was like 2 minutes. I mean, 2 seconds, not 2 minutes.
right? I feel like I'm getting really full.
I know. I feel that too. I got way too much too.
I don't know why I do this to myself. Every time. Can I hit the dab pen?
Yeah, it's in that bag again.
Oh, let me just pick up the phone again. Rearrange. Let me just rearrange. Marissa can talk to you guys while I just get the dab pen real fast. This is cute. Or Marissa can just chew and you guys can just enjoy it. That's what mukbangs are all about. See, I need a purse like yours. Just
What's
all
a
the...
mukbang?
You don't know what a mukbang is? It's when you just talk to the camera and eat a bunch of food and like
I thought that was like
a mukbang.
as ASMR or whatever.
It is. That's what it is. It is, but it has like a name. It's called a mukbang. But mukbang. It's pronounced mukbang. But I don't know. Wait.
We
is
have
it not
lots
on?
of doggies in here.
Is it
Oh,
on?
no, it's not on. You gotta click 5 tabs. I'm so bad at this.
I know, right? Isn't you know what, guys? You guys are really hard to please right now because all I'm trying to do is set this up, and I'm so far we've used a shoe, a purse, and another purse to try to prop it up.
A shoe. The shoe, like, that was just never gonna work out. Oh, I just love hugging. Oh,
I know, I love that.
Squish it
Oh my
back.
God, Marissa, please look to my right. Please look to my right.
Oh, guys. Oh my God.
Huge fluffy dog.
Oh,
Huge fluffy
I would
dog.
do anything.
Like I don't think you guys can see because
think
it's
I
on the
would
camera, but the photo's not, or the video's not doing it any justice. But that
He
is
is
the
probably
biggest, fluffiest dog I think I've
5
ever
feet
seen.
like me. And
Look at how.
he's such a good dog too. He sat right down and like,
I bet he's a show dog. Look at how fluffy he is.
oh, I bet.
Holy shit. Oh, goodies.
Why did the other ladies keep walking kind of like weird?
Maybe her dogs are like weird.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Oh my gosh. you're
See,
so
like literally there's
beautiful.
so many dogs that go through here. Like I love watching.
Shoot. Yeah. Oh my God, that's literally such a good pet. I love the good boys that listen so good.
Right?
Yeah, those other dogs.
Yeah, they definitely are not the nicest. But you know what? That's fine. Still love you. Yeah, let me fucking shut this for a little bit because my stomach's gonna be like.
The other dog looks scary. He's like tail in between his legs. He doesn't like the big boy. Oh, he's so cute with his tail between his legs.
I know, right? Are these people gonna like date soon? Like, are you guys like talking? Maybe they're gonna like start talking.
Yeah, maybe we're like witnessing the first time they're gonna meet and then they're gonna get married and live together forever.
That is very
And their
possible.
dogs are gonna love each other. And then they're gonna have a kid.
Oh my God, yeah, probably.
I just made up a whole story.
She said, "How much does he eat per day?"
What?
That's what she just said.
Why is she asking that? Like, who gives, like,
I know, right? I know, like, what?
Oh my god, she like wants to marry him. Oh my god,
Look
look
at
that old lady.
with the walker. I'm so sad, but happy.
No, she's doing good.
Yeah, she's happy.
exercising. Her dog's taking a poopy.
You know
A
what?
lot of the oldies come out here. I like it.
I know, right? I feel like it's because it's just such
It's just so
like
beautiful.
level ground for the most part.
Yeah,
That,
that's
you know what I
true.
mean?
Yeah, it's like a lot of.
That's a pretty
Ooh,
bird. That was
yeah.
beautiful.
Like, it's giving us a show.
Right? Don't isn't it so cool how they like actually like bless you? Isn't it
How
Like-
actually what?
how they like fly and stuff?
I know what.
Did he lose his family? This is the same bird. It's
No,
a swallow.
There was one that looked like one over there.
Maybe they're trying to mate.
Oh my gosh, I want to like interrupt their whole like love affair and go and squish the.
I know, right?
Oh, the other
Oh,
one's
shit.
terrified. Look at her. He's like.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that one hates him. Oh, I thought they were gonna do the whole. They both got all tangled up and fall over.
I know, right? And fall
Love
over.
story. You know, like I think that happens in the movies.
I know, right? Definitely.
I low-key like feel bad for dogs though. That like, okay, this dog needs.
Oh my god.
He's so cute. But like I don't know,
Oh my
like
god, that's Clark Penner. That's fucking Clark Penner. That's fucking Clark
what
Penner. That's fucking Clark Penner.
with the pup?
With the fucking big dog.
Nuh-uh.
I swear on my life.
What? No, it's not. Are you dead ass? Talking to this woman?
On my whole life.
Oh my god, can you get him over here?